Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Zara Hashmi, your English teacher here. I hope you all are doing great. Remember, in the last lesson we were reading a story, Potato Men, from your reader before Get Stuck. In the story, two children, Tom and Pam, asked their mum if she needs help and mum requested them to wash the potatoes. They washed potatoes outside, and Pam thought that the potato's face looked like a man, and Tom agreed. Then they made potato men by using matchsticks. Two matchsticks for the arms and two for the legs. At the end of the last lesson, we read that their mum comes outside and we were wondering, will she be happy or angry? So let's read and find out. She sees the row of potato men. She laughs. No, mom is laughing, so she's definitely not angry. I asked you to wash the potatoes, says mom, but you've made potato men. They're clean potato men. Pam smiles. Tom smiles too. But they won't stand. Mum, says Pam. They fall over, says Tom. I'll make them stand, says Mum. Mum goes into the kitchen. Tom and Pam go inside too. Mum finds an old piece of wire. Okay, look what Mum is doing with the old piece of wire. Let's see what she's doing and read next page. She bends the wire. She puts one end of the wire into the potato man. She puts the other end into a bigger potato. She puts the potato man on a table. Look, she says. Now your potato man is standing up. Pam and Tom clap their hands. They laugh and laugh. Look what Mum did. Mum put the wire into the potato man and and she made them stand, and children are clapping and they are so happy about it because they were not able to make the potato man stand up and mom did it for them. Isn't it nice? Did you enjoy the story? I'm wondering, will you make a potato man at home as well? If you really want to make a potato man at home, do ask your mom. She'll help you and she'll not be angry this way. So if you want to make a potato man at home, ask your mom first. And this is end of the story, and this is end of today's lesson. And I have a small homework. Look at this page. You remember in the lesson before we've learned about nouns. Nouns are naming words. So I've colored red all the naming words on page number 1. Tom, Pam, kitchen, mum, potatoes. All these are naming words. And I've colored them red. So I just want you to take the red color out of your pencil case and color all the nouns red in the 2 pages we've read and just finished. Can you do that for me? And I'll be most delighted to look at your work once you come back to school. And if you have any more questions, any queries, if you don't understand anything, you can always write to me and I'll get back to you inshallah. Have a great day.